I've changed in all these years. Yeah, she says no. When I look in the mirror, I see everything is here that was here, but everything is hanging a lot lower. And here too. And everywhere, I'm shrinking. So I want you to be real clear the difference between validation and other helping methods for this population. I want you to know a few of the most important principles of validation. And I'd like you to begin to learn a few techniques that you can use with the people with whom you work. Picture it. Massage it. Do you feel the bones? Squeeze your thighs and let go. My husband gave me a ring with rubies and diamonds and pearls. My ring is worth at least $20,000 today. Your ring, where's the poor lady with the little... It's worth maybe $5 at Walmart. So I'm hoping you'll have empathy with the old person and learn some nonverbal validation techniques today so that that person will never go into the last phase, which is a living dead person. Your facilities do not have to have living dead people. You can communicate with that person non-verbally, and they can die with dignity.